This video tutorial I will explain Kafka Producer to single topic with three partition. Here you can see the broker. It has one topic and topic has three partitions. Partition 0, partition 1 and partition 2. Here you can see the producer. The producer generate messages and publish message to all three partitions in a random manner. To write a producer code, we need some configurations. The first one is bootstrap servers, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number. The second one is topic, which is nothing but topic details like topic name, so that producer can send messages to particular topic. The third one is value serializer. Using value serializer, the messages can be serialized and send it over the network. Here I have defined the class Kafka Producer demo. Here I have defined the topic name as animal topic. Inside main method, I am creating a properties object, and in properties object, I am setting producer configurations like bootstrap server config, which is nothing but Kafka server IP address and port number, and key serializer class config and value serializer class config. Here I am creating a Kafka Producer object using a Kafka Producer constructor which accept properties object. Then I am calling get animal list method. This method returns a list of animal names. Using for each loop, I am getting each animal name from animal list and sending this animal name to animal topic. Here I am creating a producer record object. In producer record constructor, I am passing a topic name, which is animal topic, and the animal name. Then I am calling a send method of producer object, passing a producer record and the callback method. Once animal name is successfully published to animal topic, this callback method will be called, and from record metadata, I am getting in which topic, which partition, in which offset, on what timestamp the particular animal name is published. That I am printing here. Now I am going to start Zookeeper server, then Kafka server, then I am going to create animal topic with three partitions. Zookeeper server has been started. And Kafka server also started. And I have created animal topic with three partitions. Now I am going to run this Kafka Producer demo application. Here you can see the output, and if you notice the output, animal names are published to all the three partitions of animal topic randomly. The animal name dog is published to partition 1, and animal name lion is published to partition 0, and animal name tiger is published to partition 2, and animal name snake is published to partition 1, and animal name cat is published to partition 2. So animal names are published to all the three partitions randomly in the animal topic. You can get Java source code link for each video
from the description section of the video, and here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.